Welcome to the Blue Mouse Knits. Today I'm going to teach you how to work the checks stitch. For this you'll need to cast on a multiple of 6 stitches, and it is a 12 row repeat. I've got 2 stitches on either end of just garter. That's not included in the stitch pattern, but I definitely recommend having some kind of edging because it'll look really wonky, like this one here, where your edging is just kind of strange because you've got yarn overs at both the beginning and end of the rows. Here's what the right side looks like, and here's what the wrong side looks like. To begin row 1, you're going to work a repeat of a knit 3, yarn over, S2, KP2, yarn over, and that is a slip 2, knit, pass 2. So I'm going to knit 3, and then we work a yarn over. So bring the yarn around the right needle from front to back, and now we work the S2, KP2, which is slip 2, knit 1, purl 2. So we're going to go into the next 2 stitches as if to purl at the same time and slip them to our right hand needle. So go into the front loops from right to left, but just slip into our right hand needle and then knit 1. And now we're going to pass those 2 slip stitches over that knit stitch and off. So you can do them at the same time or individually. Go into the first slip stitch here from left to right, pull it over that knit stitch and off, and do the same thing with the other slip stitch. And then you yarn over, and that's the repeat. So I'll show you again. Knit 3, yarn over from front to back, and now we need to slip 2 stitches as if to purl. So into the next 2 stitches from right to left, but just slip into our right hand needle, knit 1, and now we're going to pass those 2 over that knit stitch and off. So go into the 2 slip stitches from left to right, hold on to that knit stitch with your index finger and pull those 2 over that knit stitch and off, yarn over, and that's the repeat. So go ahead and do that, and I'll meet you back here for row 2. At the end of the row, go ahead and turn your work. So rows 2 through 6 are worked exactly the same. You're just going to work a repeat of a knit 3, purl 3 across. So I'll show you how to do that. It's just very simple. You knit the first 3 stitches, bring the yarn around to the front, purl the next 3 stitches, bring the yarn to the back, and repeat. So go ahead and do that for rows 2 through 6, and I'll meet you back here for row 7. This is what it should look like so far. You've got a couple holes for row 1, and then the rest is just a rib. Row 7, you're going to work a repeat of a yarn over, S2, KP2, yarn over, knit 3. So these are all the same steps that you've already done before, just in a different order. This is one of the reasons I suggest having an edging, because you're going to yarn over first. So bring the yarn over the right needle from front to back, and now we're going to slip 2 as if to purl, go into them and slip them, knit 1, and then pass those 2 slip stitches over that knit stitch and off the needle. Yarn over from front to back, knit 3. So again, these are already things that we've done before. So that's it. That's your repeat. You're going to work a yarn over, S2KP2, yarn over, knit 3 all the way across. And I'll meet you back here for row 8. And then rows 8 through 12 are worked exactly the same. You're going to work a repeat of a purl 3, knit 3 across. So to begin, bring your yarn in between your needles to the front and purl 3. And then you knit 3. And that's it. You just repeat that all the way across, and you do that for rows 8 through 12. So go ahead and do that, and I'll meet you back here. So after those 12 rows are done, it should look like this. I've got 2 stitches on either end of just garter. That's not included in the stitch pattern, but I definitely recommend having some kind of edging. You just repeat those 12 rows, and you'll get a really beautiful knit stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more. I've got a ton of tutorials and free patterns, and if you're in the market for some knitting patterns, check out my Etsy and Ravelry shops.